Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessica Tonovet, and to my returning subscribers, welcome back guys. So I would say my name is Slovak. Ahoy, Volomsa Jessica Tonovet. So guys, in today's video I will be showing you guys how I edit my pictures and also create my thumbnail, because this has been a highly requested video. So I will be showing you guys on how I achieve that. So please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my content, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So let's get started. I'm using my Note 10 for this, my Note 10 Plus for this. I'm using my Note 10 Plus for this. So when I open my phone, first when I finish taking my pictures and everything and I want to edit, I'll just go to my media. I have Beauty Plus, I have Canva, I have Facetune. I've said all I had on my phone before on my previous video when I said what's on my Note 10 Plus. I'm going to put it here so you guys can go check it out. So I'll just go straight to my Beauty Plus, and when I do that, it will show me however then I'll remove it. Then I'll just go straight to picture editor and I'll see all my pictures. There's some pictures I snapped, so let's edit one of it. So this one, I'm editing this picture. Everything I'm saying, you guys are gonna see it either here or here, not just two areas. So first of all, I'll click on auto, so it will give me like a finish. There's some people that like it like this, but for me, I don't really love it like this. So I'll just click OK. Then I'll go and apply more like details to my look. I'm putting lipstick, I'm putting the brows, I'm doing the eyes to pop more. Yeah, I went to the contour, add that a bit. See, if I go out, it is different. Yes, so I love that. If I want, I can add blush. See, this is with the blush, this is without the blush, this is with the blush. Yeah, if I want to change the hair color, you can change the hair color, but this one looks kind of weird for me, so I don't do changing of hair color. Then I click OK, then I go to smooth, and if I'm not really liking what I'm seeing, I'll smoothen it out a bit more. Then I'll go to tone to give myself that, you know, brown skin girl look. I'll go to another contour again. Then I'll downsize my nose. Then yeah guys, this is everything. So let's do a before and after. So this is after I finish editing, this is before. So I'm going to save this. So I've saved that picture, and we'll do another one, a different picture inside. I'm going to snap picture now with this look I have, so we'll edit this two together. I'm using my front camera. Then I'll use my back camera. Okay, so let's edit. So I'm going to edit. This is the front camera. When I use my front camera to snap. So I first of all went to auto. It has given me filter of what I want, but you know me, I like being a bit more extra. So I went back, went to the lips, I did eyebrow to pop out, I did the eyeshadow to pop out, the contour, I did the contour to pop out, then the blush, to smoothen everything out, so it will blend. Then when to give myself that, you know, glossy look. Yeah. Then guys, we're working on our phone, okay? I'll go back again to contour. Then my nose, narrow it a bit down. Then my eyes to pop out a bit. I didn't mean I opened my teeth, I'll whiten my teeth a bit. Then if I want the background to be blurry, I will do the background to be blurry. You can see it's a bit blurry, but just a little too blurry. Let's do it to 10 or 9. Yeah, 9 is okay. And if I want more brightness to my face, but I love my face, so it is not too much brightness. Yeah, it's okay like this. I want full for it to like shine too much, you know. It's okay the way it is, but there's contrast, there's color tone. Like this is to make it very, very yellowish, you know. This is making it like white. This is cool, but I love it this way. And we save. Then let me edit the back camera. This is the back camera. So auto, makeup, lip, brows, eye, need to pop. I'm not going to put blush on this one. I'm going to do this one a bit lighter, so you guys can see the difference between the two of them. My eyes to pop. There are other details you could do. You can either make your ring to shine. You can either make your ring to shine or any other stuff you want to add to it. There's this. Then I'll go here like for more editing. I want my background to be blurry because I don't like it to be too detailed at the back. Yeah, it's a bit blurry. It's perfect. Then a little bit more brightness. I'm going to tone this one down so the back will be white, not glossy like this. Then highlights, and I say it because this is, see guys, this is before and this after, before and this after. And so for our thumbnail, I go straight to Canva. After I finish editing my pictures, then I go straight to Canva. This is new. This is new. This is new. This is not how it does. I don't know. This is new. So I'll go to create YouTube thumbnail. It's this Canva, you can pay for it and you can use the free version, so I always go for the free version. Let me use this one about the edited previously for my other video, Fashion Nova 4. I'm gonna put this on here so you guys can check it out. So I'm gonna replace this picture, the better picture. Okay, this one, my face is bold. Then I will edit this because I have it in 2 weeks. Let me get my pen. I'm using my pen, guys. Okay, so this will change to let me say how to edit pictures. I'm gonna go down, then this takes a lot of time, guys. So depending on the front you want, the size, increase, decrease, then there's boldness, then effect. This is curvy, this is glow, this is glitch, this is echo, this is high, this is hello, this is lift, this is shadow, and this is normal, depending on the kind of front you want. So let's just go for shallow. Center. This one I'm going to delete it. Delete. This one, delete. This one, delete all, because we just want one stuff today. It's flat. So I don't like that shadow. Which is fine. This is another effect which is called elements. Where the heck is it? Yeah, you click here, you go to elements, you press the elements you want, hearts, dancing people, whatever you want to add to it. You can add anything you want to add to it. And if this is how I want my thumbnail to be, I will just save it, then I'll upload it on my YouTube channel, and that's that, guys. So I hope you guys were able to understand how to create this thumbnail. And it's really easy because they're already giving you like a tablet what to play with. You don't need to start recreating it by yourself. If you don't like the front, you can just change it. If you don't like the letters, you can just change it. So which is really good, guys. This is how I create my YouTube thumbnail. This is the end of the video. Please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notification when I upload a new video. And also like, share, and comment, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely.